Lina Bo Bardi was probably one of the most important architects in the 20th century, and she had a very interesting life and career. She grew up in Italy. She worked there until the Second World War, and she moved to Brazil in 1946, where she developed all of her career. She had a very special relationship with drawing. If people have looked at her drawings, they will realize that she would draw something between an artist and an architect. And this is what is so important for the exhibition that we're developing at the Jean Miró Foundation. We're looking specifically at how she appropriated drawing as a medium of expression, not only as an architect, but also as a person who had so multiple interests in life. We have worked directly with the Lina Bo Bardi archives, which are located in São Paulo in Brazil. And in this collection that she has in São Paulo, she left about 6,000 drawings, and we have selected 100 of them to be here in the exhibition. And we have decided for two different approaches. One of them is that these drawings should be chronological, so they should represent everything she did in her life from the very early age of 9 years old to the end of her life. At the same time, we would like to bring about some of the themes that interested her in her work and in the daily use of drawing and the relationship she had with the medium. So we'll see among these 100 drawings many different qualities and techniques, and I think that this is really interesting about the way that she drew and as a way of thinking, as an extension of her questions about architecture, about people, about plants. So we hope that this will give people access to her mind and the way that she connected her mind and her hands through drawing. And especially here at the Jean Miró Foundation, where we have this incredible artist who also drew so profusely and so obsessively. I think it's a beautiful combination. They both use colors in such a beautiful way. And also the location of the museum, which is in a park. And Lina Bo Bardi loved plants. She loved the environment and nature. We'll start this exhibition by looking at her drawings about plants and vegetation, and we'll go from there to look at other interests that she had in people who she considered to be the protagonists of architecture, and from there we'll look at the objects that she designed and also the buildings and the spaces that she was so interested in as an architect, as a designer, as a theater director, as a curator, and so many of the activities she developed. And in all of them, drawing was always present as a means of communication, exploration, thinking, and expression.